Guys, my name is Nonima Tikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Judge Ratamu. There was a moment in court these past few days. I think this was on Tuesday. We're just gonna go through all of that, okay, the next 2 days. Né? There was a moment in court whereby he was angry at Mshololo after poking Mshololo, and Mshololo told him off. And now he's like, I'm older than you. Do you know when old people, when they are fighting with you and when they are being nasty, mean to you, and then you get them back into their corner, then they will start telling you that I am your mother or I am your father, because now they realize they are losing the battle, because you are not entirely being rude more than you are telling them you are out of line as a parent right now. Then they will remind you that they are the parent. That is what Judge Rata was doing. That is exactly what Judge Rata was doing to Mshololo, because he realized that now he's being cornered by Mshololo, and then now he did not like that. Then he resorted to making sure I'm older than your father. Treat me with respect. Aibo, treat you with your respect. Respect is earned even between father and child, mother and child. That respect is earned because that person treated you with dignity, with respect. Judge Rata does not treat anyone like that in that courtroom. In fact, he only that the respect that he has is for Baloyi and Sibanda to a certain extent. Baloyi and Gininda get the highest order of respect from Judge Rata Mokgatleng. But the defense lawyers, no, he doesn't respect them. Oh, he does not respect anyone. I'll tell you the things that Judge Rata do in that courtroom. He, not once, not twice, he once told Mnisi that he speaks better. Was it Mnisi alone? But okay, he once told the defense that he speaks better English than them. Even yesterday, he said the same thing, that he knows English better than Mnisi. Excuse you? If Judge Rata wants to talk about knowing English and understanding the language very well, then why is it hard for him to get it through his head that the case is manufactured against the accused? Why is it hard? Because you will take it there to, no, I don't think you do. Anyone that understands English very well and speaks it very well, no, they would have known by now. This is nonsense, what is happening here. The behavior says otherwise. Oh, the behavior says otherwise. He spoke about that. There was a time, some time back, he spoke about how he learned English, how many learned tonton class, I don't know, but he learned tontons of English. At some point, that was him jabbing at the defense. At some point, he spoke about universities that people went. He said, I didn't go to Vista University. To Mngomezulu. Mngomezulu went to Vista. He was like, I didn't study law at Vista University. And Baloyi got up and said, I went to Vets. That was disrespect to the defense. And then there was a time Judge Rata shouted at Mshololo for no reason. For objecting, shouter to the core. When Mshololo shouted back, now he was angry. There was a time he shouted at the defense, Mngomezulu was still alive. And Mngomezulu reminded me, you are entering the area. He was angry. He was angry. Mngomezulu told him off and said, no, you are behaving as if you are colluding with the state here. He was like, I'm going to sue you, because it hit a nerve, the behavior. He once shouted at him, Nisi. He once, at some point, spoke things that insinuated that Nisi is a weak man. Yet he wants to be respected by who? How? How do you expect people to respect you when you are like that? How are people going to respect you? And here and there, he will brag about how he's the most senior judge. Hey, he has 55 years, sometimes 35 years in the bench, this and that. He will brag, Mr. Mabrego. Mabrego will be bragging there. I'm telling you about Fagazile. Judge Rata at times will sit there and the defense is busy asking questions to him. He will answer for the witnesses of the state. Afagaz. That was disrespect. Sometimes the same judge who is now demanding respect, this judge, at some point he said, yeah, that's how black people are, black lawyers are. Don't. It created a hoo-ha in South Africa. He had to apologize because he was rude. And then he spoke about black people, how they work. He repeated the same thing. Judge Ratamukwatleng. Yet he wants people to respect him. No, he does not respect anyone. He shouts at the defense. He throws hands when he speaks to them. He has zero decorum. Yet he wants the decorum. Kanjani? He has disrespected the same court. The entire process, the entire decorum process, which Judge Ratha disrespects it to the core. Abe nerve yokuthi you must respect me, I'm not your father. Kanjani? Every day we eat 55 years experience. We as South Africans are always questioning his conduct. This man does not, it seems as if he doesn't know that respect is earned. We are always debating about him, about his judicial conduct, about his courtroom impartiality, about whether he should be demanding respect from people or not. All the damn time because of how he behaves. He has questionable character in that courtroom, and then he expects people to treat him as a person of high morals. Kanjani? No, sir. You need to respect others in order for them to give you respect. Respect is earned, not demanded. You can't be demanding people to respect you. You can't. No. Someone needs to sit him down and say, hey, Baba, these demands that you have from people, where are they coming from? Because these are the same people that you don't respect. You know now, Ramsipilo was the most respectful person in that courtroom. They still are. But now, they have learned to put that respect is not going to take them anywhere when it comes to Judge Ratha. They have learned that respecting Judge Ratha comes with the consequences of stress, headaches, and don't. Now, they fight back when he speaks. They speak back. This is someone that they respected. Now they don't. And it's not even in the bad way for them, but they just like, no, we're not going to not answer to you. They answer back. Those are the things that they used to not to do. They were never doing that. Then he has the audacity to say he must be respected, telling Umshololo that I'm older than your father. Uma lapho umtata kaMshololo uRatha. Uma zilapho umtata kaMshololo bungakanani? Does he even know the age kaMshololo for him to say I'm older than your father? Ingenaphi yonke loo nto leyo khona? No. I'm one of those people that were like, where ne? He keeps saying there in that courtroom, what is that? At some point, he wake up Mshololo and told Mshololo and he's used to go to the tavern. And then we ended up calling Rataveni courtroom yake. Anyway, guys, what are your thoughts when it comes to that? Do you think Judge Ratha has any right to demand anyone to respect him in that courtroom, especially the defense lawyers, because he has been disrespectful towards them many times than we care to count? What are your thoughts when it comes to that? Let's talk in the comment section. I'll see you on our next video. Bye-bye.